Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to fix Steam overlay not working. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. First of all, open Steam and log into your account. Click on the Steam icon in the top left corner of the launcher. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the new window that appears, click on In the Game tab. Make sure that the Enable Steam Overlay while in-game checkbox is checked. Scroll down and check the shortcut keys for activating the overlay in-game. In this case, is Shift and Tab by default. Right-click on any game in your library and select Properties. Make sure the Enable Steam Overlay while in-game checkbox is checked. Launch the game and press Shift and Tab to open the Steam Overlay. And that's it. If you cannot see the Steam overlay, try restarting Steam. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next tech solutions video.